We're dancing. I don't know if you can hear the jazz music. I'll bring you in the other room. What are we doing today? Oh, yes. I love to slow dance, you know that? But not by myself. But I'll take it. So, I made, and we're going to assemble it later. It's going to be beautiful. It's probably ready now. It is a banana cream pie. Hi, Mister. You want to see? He has a new chair in the house. Look at, I put that chair over there, and he's like the king of the kitchen, Mr. Kitty. He loves it. Mister. Oh, he's tired. Mister. So I made cashew whipped cream. Everything in this pie is amazing. A chocolate banana cream pie with chickpea crust. Like what? I have no idea what it's gonna be like. It smells good. I tasted little individual pieces like this. Good. Yes. Nourishing the body. I know I'm always talking about food here, but food is part of life. That's what motivates us, and to feel good and to have health. And so I'm always talking about it. I feel like I'm not always eating, but on here, there's 24 hours a day, I know. And when I'm on here, I'm interested to show you what, did I show you these, what I'm eating so that, I mean, look at this, look. It's a date, right? And on the other side, oh yeah, all the goodness, peanut butter and chocolate and pecans are in there. You see? And you have these on hand. What's wrong with that? And I also wanted you to know that I didn't cook this soup on high. I put it on the very lowest, which I still have to get a thermometer. And I didn't cook it all the way through to where they were really soft, because I figured the more solid they were, then the more nutrition I'm hoping will stay in there. So there is a little bit of a crunch to the vegetables, which I think would be the best. We don't want to kill our food. What's the point of eating? Hello. So check it out. I put white beans, you know, the butter beans that, if you know me, I love the butter beans. There's spinach and broccoli and potatoes and white carrots. Like I say, I don't want to kill anything, so we cook it very, very low and slow, and so where it has a crunch to it a little bit. So yes, perfect. Oh, and a lot of garlic. Almond milk and nutritional yeast, which is this. Okay, nutritional yeast, lemon juice, cashews, water, and salt. Did I say garlic powder? Wow, check it out. So now I'll make the chickpea pasta, and this tastes really, really good. Yes, it does. Look, see? You could probably get it smoother, but not bad. I don't have the greatest equipment, so once again, oh, that tastes real nice. Now, if you want that, a nice orangey flavored cheese dip, or probably even put on your macaroni, is if you put the red pepper. Put a red pepper in there. Oh my gosh, amazing. Blend it all up. I don't know, I'm always either talking about God or food. Two favorite things. Look, girlfriend, I made a cheese dip. I got the recipe from the nutritional yeast on the back. This tastes like a nice cheese sauce. It's just cashews, lemon juice, garlic, water, salt, and I think that is it. Cashews. Yeah, and I'm gonna put it on a chickpea pasta. You could put it on anything you want, vegetables, and I'm gonna make mac and cheese with this. Pretty good, right? Look at it. Check it out, y'all. This, I might be able to put a little bit of almond milk in there just to give it a little bit more creaminess, but look at this. Only because I wanted to save this for that pasta. But look, So good. This is cashews, everybody. I put it in to make it smoother. Remember it wasn't so smooth before? Look. Check it out. Mac and cheese, chickpea pasta with my cream sauce. And this one is going to be for me. Okay. Look at that. Oh, man.
I want it.
Healthy mac and cheese with cashew. Only because I didn't want to eat theirs. But isn't that awesome? Are you ready to rumble? Okay, now we're going to put this baby together. Remember canned chickpeas, monk fruit, substitute sugar, and maple syrup, and vanilla extract. And I told you everything else, right? Okay, let's do it. Boy, you know, this was, I had left it in the refrigerator overnight thinking it was going to be more like pudding, and it wasn't. So I added a lot of arrowroot and cooked it again, thinking it was going to thicken, and it certainly did. Oh yeah, I didn't want it to really fall off the spoon, and I think I got what I wanted. So this is lovely, perfectly lovely, and it's a banana chocolate. Everything in here is perfect. Yep, we never cooked anything except the crust, of course, to the max. I don't know who Max is, but he keeps showing up. Now we're gonna put our cashew whipped cream on top. Oh yeah.
Guys, this is my pie. It's vegan and gluten-free. Very healthy.
Wow. Look at that. Hey, what's wrong with that?